You doing pistol only?
Yeah.
Alright. Aw.
Where are we going?
Bro, honestly, I think if we're doing pistol only, we should limp Chinky.
If you say so.
Oh, hey, what's up, Grayson?
Go.
Oh, shit. I hit him. I got him. Oh, you got him.
I got
nice.
it.
Got him.
Nice.
He had a car? Fucking kidding me? This is not enough. Bro, I hope you know if we get into a long range fight, then we're screwed.
Oh, yeah.
I honestly think that we should just scare people with pans. Like, we just go up behind them with pans.
Ooh, revolver. Shotgun.
Dude, I think we should just get as many nades as we can, and if we run into somebody with like an AR or something, we just throw down the smoke and get the hell out of there. Shit.
See him?
See him?
Yeah.
Got him?
Nice.
He was a bot. If you actually get killed by us, then you're doing something wrong.
One, you don't get one, but if you want to be pushed around, you get one.
Yeah. Oh, dude, I found a Molotov. Nathan, you want to be Trailer Park Boys again?
Oh, sure. For the content. Content.
Oh, it is? Oh, yeah, I see it.
Oh, my faces is a...
Does enemies ahead, or is that just the trailer park?
I think that's trailer park. Oh, yeah, hop in. This is sexy.
2,000 years later.
Oh!
That was me.
Oh, okay.
Let's go charge him.
Get your pans ready.
Yeah, Dad? I know.
Do you have eyes on target?
Oh, hit him?
I don't have eyes on target. Okay. I'm sneaking around. He's hiding. Question mark?
I'll be impressed if we kill an actual player.
An actual player? P18. Wait.
I don't know. You got it to me?
Oh yeah, boy.
Oh, fair. After to me. Yeah, second.
Get to go.
I have to set the table.
Dude,
I wonder what
this
the
gun is
kill
OP.
feed. I wonder if what the kill feed. I was thinking.
Yeah, dude, I don't know.
I'm in my mum's car. Broom, broom.
Dude, we gotta play some tunes.
Right now. I gotta go.
Guess we're soloing this, boy. Wait, what? What was that? I just saw like a thing pop up. Alrighty. A little bit of Seops. Nice.
Narcissistic, antisocial, all these things I say make me loco. Masochistic, suicidal, all these things make me homicidal. Narcissistic, antisocial, all these things I say make me loco. Masochistic, suicidal, all these things make me homicidal.